Hey everybody, this is JD from the Jam. Today I want to take you through my process of making a liqueur. I'm going to do something that's been a little bit of a thorn in my side. Irish cream. I'm going to do some Irish cream today. It's been a thorn in my side because of the Irish whiskey. Not a big fan. Like just about everything else, but something about what we get here in the States just isn't very good. Well, just doesn't taste very good to me. So, what I'm going to do is try this first, see what I think. All right, I'm just going to do a half a shot. I just want to see what the flavor is. Okay. All right. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. I like that, actually. Might have to change my mind on Irish whiskeys. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix 2 cups of Irish whiskey, 1 cup of half and half, 1 whole can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is actually homemade extract. My mom made. So we're going to try all this, but you blend it all together, and we should have some Irish cream, hopefully. We'll see. Let's do this. All right, guys. So we got the 2 cups of Irish whiskey going in. All right, 2 cups of Irish whiskey. 1 cup of the half and half. Whole can of sweetened condensed milk. Now, this is a first for me also. I've not done the sweetened condensed milk in the Irish creams either, so. But everything I've made before has been not very flavorful and tasteful. So I'm hoping that this might be the key to changing this up just a little bit. We'll see. So that's 1 whole can, approximately 14 ounces on that. Last little ingredients here. We got the cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Just make sure you get all that out. And then 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. There we go. All right. And button it up. Put it the right direction first and then button it up. All right. All right, after you blend it, basically it's done. We're going to test this first and then bottle it. Once it's bottled, probably give it 2-3 weeks. I wouldn't go past 3-4 weeks before you can start drinking it. Then once it's open, keep it refrigerated, and it should stay. I'm hoping this is good. I'm a little worried. Let's find out. All right, we'll use the same little cup. Yeah, it smells okay. Guys, I think I might have done it. That's really good. And it's not that sweet. With the sweetened condensed milk, I was afraid it would be a little too sweet. This is really good. That's wonderful. All right, next step, guys. Get yourself your favorite berry bottle or jar. Not quite up to the top. I got something new. Watch. This is awesome. I got a Cthulhu. What the Cthulhu does is take all the air out of the bottle. So it's going to infuse all the ingredients a little bit better than normal. Just give it a couple seconds. All right, that's 26 seconds. Now you can pull that. There you go. Look at that. There you go. That'll be good. Like I said, give it a week or two, and it'll be nice and infused. Guys, I'm pretty happy. Thank you guys for staying tuned, or for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you again.